Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A new update related to editing forms and surveys within your funnel or website pages, which is actually one of my favorite recent features, at least the last few months. So let's say you have a form, just a regular form like a name, email, whatever, right, on your funnel page. Now you have the ability to edit it right here. So this is the form. If you click on it, and over here, new feature, edit form, because before that you could just select a form, but to edit it, you had to go out and find the form and remember what name it was. Here, you can just click on Edit Form. Takes you directly to the form, right? And you can just go and edit it. Same thing goes for the surveys within the pages. And again, this is for funnel pages and also for website pages. So that's a cool feature. Yeah, definitely will save a lot of time of just kind of cross-checking what did you need to edit. This just takes you directly to it. And yeah, make sure to definitely use this feature. It will save you a lot of time. If you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on down here, 24/7 chat support. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.